Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna be making a delicious cake with white wine and I'm gonna start doing it now. I got everything here that I need, so I will start with the eggs. Okay, now I'm gonna add the wine. And I'm gonna start adding the flour. Okay, add more flour. And I will mix it until well combined. Okay, here I have a pan that I greased with oil and flour. So here I have some blackberries, okay, and that there. And here I have some that I'm gonna just squash them with a fork. The oven is ready. This is ready too. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on top. And I'm just gonna swirl a little bit around like that. The ones that I have here now, the half one, the ones that I cut them in a half. So here, I'm just gonna put them on top. So for a nice crust, I'm just gonna sprinkle some sugar on top. You don't have to, but it's optional. Not too much, just like a teaspoon. And I'll show it to you when it comes out. Okay, the cake is ready. It's still a little bit warm, but I'm gonna cut a piece, put it in a plate. Beautiful. I'm gonna just try it. You can serve it with any kind of jam. I'm just gonna put some and try it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.